Pop in the fall here at Campers Inn RV of Richfield and check out all of the pop-ups we have to offer.
And here we have one of our featured pop-ups. This one behind me is a 2024 Forest River Rockwood Extreme Sport 2280 BHESP. When the pop-up is closed, it's 18 feet long, 7 inches, and when it's popped out, it's 23 feet long and 11 inches. Now, if you come with me, we can check it out. At the front of the pop-up, right next to the hitch, we have a 28-inch by 84 front metal decking. It's awesome for storing bikes, coolers, firewood, and other accessories you would need for a week at the campground. Right next to our entry door, we have an exterior cooktop, so you guys can have hibachi grilled right out here. It also does have an LP quick connect right behind it, so you don't need to bring an external propane tank. You can pull right from the unit. And then also we have exterior speakers, so you guys can hang out under your awning, listen to some music, and really enjoy time outside at the campground. Now here we are on the inside. We do have the pop-up already popped in the upward position. The cool thing about it too is you no longer have to turn the handle to pop up a pop-up. You just press a button and the ceiling raises. How cool is that? So the first thing we're gonna come to when we enter the pop-up is this extremely large countertop. You can keep the countertop folded down or you can lift it up. And here is our bathroom. It is a all-in-one sink, shower, toilet. The shower curtain goes up to the ceiling, clips in up there. Now you have a shower. You can also use it as a sink, or you have the toilet in here as well. To the left of the entry door, we have a gaucho bed. This is great for additional guests to be able to sleep, or you can hang out here on the sofa. Across from that, we have our booth dinette. Again, great for additional sleeping space, family dinners, or family game night. And here you can see the gaucho bed folded down for additional sleep area. A really cool feature about this pop-up is that it does have a tabletop extension here. So all you have to do is slide it into the end joints, and now your table's even longer. So if you have guests, they can sit at the gaucho bench and eat with you, or have friends come over for game night. How cool is that? One of our beds is a king bed, the other is a queen bed. They both do have storage nets above to hold some of your personal belongings, and they even have detachable lights that have fans built right in to keep you cool while you're sleeping. Both mattresses are also heated, so on the cold fall camping nights, you guys can stay nice and warm with your heated mattresses. And in the summer months while you're camping, this pop-up even has a roof-mounted air conditioner to keep you cool. Our kitchen galley, we have an ever-chill refrigerator, a 3-burner cooktop, and a 1-basin stainless steel sink. And here's a look inside our fridge. Plenty big for a weekend of camping. And there you have it. That's a tour of the 2024 Forest River Rockwood Extreme Sports 2280 BHESP. If you're interested in making this unit yours, visit Campers Inn of Richfield, Wisconsin today to find out more information. I'm Autumn. We hope to see you soon.